Take a quick second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an operational breakdown. Is your local Walmart secretly a robot warehouse? Why Walmart is turning its roofs into drone launch pads. How Walmart beats FedEx and UPS using random gig drivers. Why Walmart associates are forced to ignore in-store shoppers. The secret highway tracking code saving Walmart billions. 3. Channels. Walmart utilizes a highly integrated mix of physical properties, digital portals, supply chain hubs, and corporate partnerships to market, sell, and distribute its products across the globe. Channel category: primary vehicles role in business model. Physical footprint: supercenters, neighborhood markets, Sam's Club's high-volume immediate fulfillment, sensory verification, regional storage nodes. Digital portals: Walmart.com, Walmart app, marketplace engine, infinite aisle, long-tail product browsing, data aggregation, subscription management. Logistics network: automated DC network, private fleet, last-mile delivery, margin preservation through internal transport, inventory balancing. 8 cases related to channels. Case 1. The Supercenter Network, operating over 3,500 highly integrated physical locations across the U.S., serving as retail hubs and localized fulfillment centers. Case 2. The Unified Walmart mobile app, serving as the singular digital gateway for handling online grocery pickup, digital payments, and in-store navigation features. Case 3. Walmart.com and Marketplace Engine, an expansive web storefront that expands inventory beyond physical walls by featuring millions of third-party SKUs. Case 4. The Automated Distribution Center, DC, fleet, utilizing proprietary cross-docking warehouses that move pallets directly from incoming supplier trucks to outgoing store delivery trailers with minimal storage time. Case 5. The private Class 8 truck fleet, owning and operating an immense network of long-haul trucks and professional drivers to bypass third-party freight volatility and control transport schedules. Case 6. Crowdsourced delivery platforms, Spark Driver utilizing an internal gig economy delivery network to manage flexible last-mile home delivery capacity without maintaining high fixed carrier expenses. Case 7. Neighborhood markets, operating smaller footprint grocery locations designed to penetrate dense urban zones where full supercenters cannot physically fit. Case 8. In-store digital smart kiosks, deploying physical touchscreens within traditional departments to help customers instantly order out-of-stock items for immediate home delivery. For open-ended questions. 1. How can Walmart effectively optimize its private truck fleet to run at near zero empty backhaul miles as third-party shipping networks drop their rates? 2. In what ways will the integration of autonomous drone delivery corridors reshape the role of rural store parking lots over the next 10 years? 3. What strategic changes are necessary to make the Spark Driver network as reliable as institutional logistics carriers during peak winter weather events? 4. How can Walmart balance store labor resources between servicing in-store walking customers and picking items for online channel orders? For explanations. The stores as hubs logic. Walmart treats its physical properties not just as traditional retail storefronts, but as strategically positioned forward fulfillment nodes. This eliminates the need to build separate, expensive online-only distribution infrastructure. Cross-docking efficiency mechanics. Traditional warehousing is slow and builds storage drag. Walmart's cross-docking channel model keeps products moving constantly, minimizing inventory holding costs and keeping store shelves stocked with fresh goods. The last-mile gig economics. Using the internal Spark driver network turns last-mile delivery into a variable expense rather than a fixed infrastructure overhead asset, allowing delivery operations to scale up or down based on daily order velocity. Long-tail digital extension. Physical shelf space is finite. The marketplace channel allows Walmart to match the massive item variety of pure-play e-commerce companies without taking on the capital risk of buying and holding slow-moving inventory. For implementation plans. Plan 1. Next-generation DC automation upgrades. Deploying high-speed robotic sorting arms and automated guided vehicles, AGVs, across all regional distribution channels to accelerate pallet throughput. Plan 2. Metro drone delivery rollout. Setting up safe drone launching pad infrastructures on supercenter roofs to manage ultra-fast 30-minute delivery channels for medical and light grocery items. Plan 3. Seamless omni-channel checkout upgrades. Implementing advanced computer vision cameras and smart cart options to enable instant checkout experiences across high-traffic urban locations. Plan 4. Micro-fulfillment center integration. Retrofitting existing storage backrooms into automated micro-warehouses to handle regional online pickup orders with minimal human labor. For implementation processes. Process 1. High-speed supply chain cross-docking. Vendor truck arrives at DC dock, then automated scanners read pallet barcodes, then conveyors route items across the facility, then outbound store truck loaded, then delivery completed within a 24-hour window. Process 2. Spark driver delivery execution. Online order packed at local store, then Spark application broadcasts delivery request to local gig drivers, then driver accepts and utilizes dedicated loading lane, then package dropped off at consumer doorstep, then photo confirmation closes loop. Process 3. Infinite aisle in-store ordering. Shopper finds out-of-stock item on shelf, then associate scans shelf tag via store handheld device, then system generates immediate direct-to-home order link, then customer pays at front-end register, then item ships from distribution center. Process 4. Localized channel rebalancing. Store tracking reports surge in online orders, then algorithmic workforce management tools reassign floor staff to online picking tasks, then order backlog drops, then standard staff distribution returns to balance point. For actionable recommendations. Recommendation 1. Convert underutilized backroom square footage into automated fulfillment spaces to lower digital channel operating expenses. Recommendation 2. Expand exclusive corporate logistics options to high-volume marketplace sellers to boost overall channel delivery reliability. Recommendation 3. Improve app user interface speeds on older mobile devices to keep lower-income consumer segments highly engaged. Recommendation 4. Form deep partnerships with municipal transportation groups to position smart pickup lockers directly inside major public transit hubs. 4 to-do items. Run a comprehensive efficiency review on the average transit time between regional distribution points and localized storefront properties. Conduct structural stress tests on the Spark driver dispatch algorithms during peak weekend morning grocery windows. Audit the performance metrics of automated inventory picking infrastructure across newly retrofitted distribution facilities. Review user drop-off trends within the mobile checkout flow to identify and fix friction points in the digital channel. For practical techniques. Technique 1. Algorithmic freight lane matching, utilizing advanced software networks to match outbound private shipments with returning raw goods suppliers, ensuring trailers never run empty. Technique 2. Dynamic store floor geometry, adjusting physical aisle space dynamically based on seasonal sales patterns, e.g., expanding outdoor garden centers during spring months. Technique 3. Predictive hub ingestion, using localized weather forecasting data to pre-stage emergency supplies at distribution centers right before major storm patterns hit. Technique 4. API channel aggregation, utilizing open-source architecture models to let third-party logistics tools plug directly into the internal marketplace inventory platform. For practical steps. Step 1. Evaluate the exact geographic density of online orders across a major target metropolitan area over a 90-day trial period. Step 2. Locate the physical Walmart store positioned closest to the highest density zone identified in the data. Step 3. Allocate a dedicated portion of that store's rear warehouse footprint exclusively to host automated sorting machinery. Step 4. Shift regional online delivery fulfillment away from standard store floors and over to the new automated backroom setup. If seeing how a traditional brick-and-mortar giant re-engineered its physical footprint to dominate modern digital logistics blew your mind, there is an absolute goldmine of deep-dive resources waiting for you right below. Before you head down there, take a split second to like the video, if you found value in this breakdown, and subscribe to the channel, so you're always the first to decipher the world's most powerful enterprise engines. Once you open up that description box, you can instantly download the free study materials and handouts to map out these supply chain frameworks on your own time. You can also click the exclusive link to access our free, advanced chapter, online tutorials to take your strategic Canvas skills to an executive level. Don't forget to share this video with friends, classmates, or colleagues who want to master the hidden mechanics of global business models. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next route. The information presented in this channel is compiled with the assistance of AI, public sources, and independent analysis. While every effort is made to ensure accuracy, information may contain omissions, inaccuracies, or interpretations. Content is provided solely for educational, case study, commentary, and entertainment purposes and should not be considered financial, investment, legal, or professional advice.